VidIQ tutorial. How to use VidIQ for beginners. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at VidIQ. It's a fantastic tool to help you learn more about your channel, your viewers, your content, and basically to improve the value of the videos that you're putting out and the effort that you're putting in. So to jump straight in, this is what the homepage looks like. And you can either access VidIQ on Chrome or any other browser, or you can download their extension and attach it to your YouTube channel. So if you do so, it will come up just like this over here on your YouTube channel on the top right hand side. It'll be just up over there. So jumping back into VidIQ, if you have a look at what they're showing you here on the dashboard, you can basically see a breakdown of all the features that they offer right in one place. So on the left hand side, you will see a get started, and here they give you a video basically just to show you a few of the features. And on the right hand side, you have daily ideas, which we will get into later. You can monetize your channel and you can track your monetization. You have AI recommendations, keyword opportunities, subscriptions, an overview. You can add keywords here and you can view your competitors. So as we get into this, it's very important to firstly go into the daily ideas. Now, daily ideas are basically ideas that VidIQ are giving you in relation to the type of content that you create on your channel. So right over here, if you are putting in your ideas into this bar here, they are going to generate ideas that are in accordance to the keywords that you've used. So there are two options. First of all, you can include your own keywords, or you can use an AI tool that they've developed to publish your new video. So all you do is enter a keyword right over here, and then they give you a few suggestions. Now, of course, if you have the Pro package, then you can see a lot more. But basically the ideas here is, as I've put in, how to use AI. And what they've done here is they've given you a few ideas. And the first idea is 7 best tips for using ChatGPT, a beginner's guide. Now, as you can see, it gives you a rating or a view prediction right over there. And it basically tells you what the view prediction is. So for that video, it is very high. And then in comparison, this one over here says 10 best tips for using Microsoft ChatGPT AI technology. And that has a medium view prediction reading. So you can judge by this rating as to how these keywords and how the content will actually rank in terms of the views that you may get for your channel. Moving on to the next thing is your keywords. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, your keywords are very important. Keywords are a way of allowing your content to show up on search results when people are searching for videos in relation to what you produce. So right here, there's a breakdown or an overview of all of your keywords. So let us put a keyword in here. For example, let's use again how to use AI. And basically what it does is it gives you an overview of the actual title. So you've got a search volume here, and the search volume is quite high. And then you've got the competition, which is also relatively high. So what this is the amount of people that actually search for this term, and that is 50,844, and that's on the left hand side. So that shows you how many people search for this term. And then you've got the competition. So that's a percentage showing you how much competition there is out there, so that you know how many other people are actually producing content alike. And then there is an overall score, which is a medium, and the overall score, which a medium, is 46. And what you can then do is on the right hand side, it shows you the related keywords. So anything related to that term that you put in, AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and you can see all the breakdown details if you tap view all three keywords right over here. So the search volume is the average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube each month. So these are quite high volumes, and that is a good sign, because if there are more people searching for the term, then there is a larger chance of your video being viewed. Then the overall is a score that is measured how attractive this keyword is to you as a creator, and it does state that a higher number is better. So if you're comparing these, they're all more or less the same. However, these are a little bit below average, so it's got to be 60% to be good, and that shows you how attractive the actual keyword is, and that shows you how much you should want to use the keyword. As you're going down here, it also takes your terms and puts it into a question mode. So it is already a question, but they have a few suggestions that are related to that key phrase. And it says how to use Photoshop AI, how to use Midjourney AI, and how to use AI in Photoshop. So these are also search volumes and overall scores, and it gives you this score so that you know if you are using that keyword, you may want to instead change it to something that is more relative or has a higher score. Then on the left hand side, you have the matching terms, and that is all these terms right over here, and it says keywords that contain your searched keyword or phrase in any order. So this is now the keywords that you've used right up over here, but it's just not in this particular order. It is in a randomized order. Then that is the overview. You can just have a look at each one of those categories all on their own on one page. So that's the related keywords, the matching terms, and the questions. And as you can see here, what it does is it gives you a breakdown. It gives you a related score, search volume, the competition score, and then it gives you an overall and a number of words. So that over there you can basically use to know what keywords work best when you're creating video titles. Let us move on now to the competitors. Now, when you have a sufficient amount of subscribers and you have a sufficient amount of channels that you have subscribed to, you can actually compare your data to your competitors' data. You can compare your keywords, you can compare your views, your watch time, and all of the other analytics right over here, all in one place. If we go back to our dashboard just quickly, you can actually go down here and you can add competitors right over here. So you can just click the plus sign and you can just type in the competitor's name, and this drop down menu will come up and it will give you a bunch of suggested channels, so you can actually choose from them, add them to your competitors, and then you can compare your data to their data and see how you're actually doing. Now, this is not uncommon, and it is a great way to actually see how you are faring against channels that are producing the same content that you're producing. When we jump onto subscribers, this also gives you an insight to who your subscribers are and what their demographics are. So this is a pro feature, so I can't show you without actually upgrading. However, if you watch this video, you will be able to understand in detail who your audience is, where they're from, how old are they, whatever the case may be, what their interests are, and you can see who your actual audience is. Then if you jump onto SEO, this is an SEO optimization tool. It is also a pro tool, so I'm not able to show you all the details. However, it will show you how to optimize your channel and get more views through SEO. And then we've got the AI coach, which is right over here. So it says, welcome to your personal coach. And right over here, you can see your channel insights. You can audit your channel and you can personalize all the advice, the ideas, and everything that you receive right from here. It is unique to your channel. Then on the dashboard, one last thing that I need to show you is your keywords. Now let us just go all the way to the bottom, and it says here, add keywords to get great opportunities. And it says select keywords in your niche to find the best keyword opportunities. So perhaps we are creating a channel and we're putting content out that has a regard to perhaps, let's say, how to. So what it's going to do here is it's going to give you suggestions, and it's going to say how to make, let's just put another word in there, how to use. So here it'll show you basic suggestions: how to learn swimming, learn how to float, how to make, and so on. So what you can actually add in here is keywords that are relevant to your channel. They also give you a few suggestions down over here, so you can just add these and then that'll be added to your channel. So when you're actually searching for the analytics of your keywords, which you can go right up over here to your keywords, when you're searching for all of this, all of your keywords will actually be here, and you won't have to continue to add keywords each time you want to search or get analytics for them. And that's a basic overview of how to use VidIQ. It's a fantastic tool to get insights into your viewers, your content, and how well your content actually ranks on your channel and how it actually ranks on YouTube to your viewers. It can help you increase your views, it can help you increase your subscribers, and ideally it can help your channel grow organically because you'll have a better insight as to who your audience is and what they actually want. I hope this was insightful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget, if you'd like, you can comment down below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.